What's up, everybody? I finally met Daniel Marsh, my long-lost twin. My long-lost twin brother. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Nandito po kami ngayon sa pangalawang YouTube pop-up space party dito sa Manila, di ba, bebe? Nagpa-vlog ka din? Ayan! We're gonna walk in, everyone's gonna have their cameras out, vlogging, and we're gonna meet Aheezy Da Islander for the first time. Di ba, bebe? Let's go! Let's go, bebe! Ako po si Dwayne. Alam niyo ba, hindi kami in-invite na intro. Nakakapagtampo naman eh, hindi kami in-invite. There's Aheezy Da Islander, baby, let's go! Tara na!
You're tall. You're so tall.
You're tall too, man.
Wow. Guapo. Let me grab this guy.
Feeling love. This is Aheezy Da Islander.
Hey guys.
Subscribe to his channel.
Salamat kayo, Brad. Bisaya pa more.
Oh, lucky, no? So, paano ka mag-Bisaya?
Gamay kayo.
Gamay?
Gamay.
Gamay lang.
Hey guys, subscribe to Dwayne here, guys. I'm here with Dwayne. It's amazing.
Damn.
It's a dream. Dude, finally get to meet Dwayne.
Hello po. Ako po si Dwayne.
Ako po si Juliet. Tagalog.
This is my maestro. He's going to be teaching me Bisaya when he visits Bohol, and he's going to do it.
You know it. Hey, Shanta.
Yeah.
Shanta. So, this is probably what our kids are going to look like. Yeah. So sick. Do your kids speak Bisaya?
Bisaya? Do they speak? Oh, kasabot daghan.
Kasama dagan?
This duck. Yeah, they understand Bisaya, English, and sign language.
Mayo. Dili pwede sila malibak. Libak.
It's not libak.
Libak is like gossip. So no one's gossip.
Chismis?
Chismis.
Yeah. Wala chismis.
Wala chismis. Why don't you teach me? Why don't you teach me? Dili ka ganahan mag-Bisaya? Dili ka ganahan?
I'm not a good teacher. I cannot be a teacher. I've done good in so.
Yeah, my wife gets upset because I didn't learn the angingingongong.
I will teach you, man.
Dude, awesome.
I will teach you, right?
Yeah. Come to Bohol.
For sure.
I'll fly him out here.
Yeah.
Fly him over. And then he's gonna go bungee jumping.
Oh, wow. What?
Yeah, he's going bungee jumping in Danao.
Let's get a family photo.
Yo!
Bro, this is Luke Bowers.
Hey, what's up, guys?
The only redhead in the Philippines. The only one. How old are you? Like 16, yeah? Wow, you're tall. That's right.
Where's your wife?
Ito siya. What's up, Kid Valentine?
Giant Kid Show we do film.
Oh!
Yeah.
Kilala kita. Kilala mo si Aaron D. Tomaso?
Yes!
You're both from Giant Kid Show?
Yeah.
Okay. Sino yung collab team ni Aaron? Nice to meet you, bro. Guys, Shanta and I.
Oh,
hello. Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, Daniel. Yeah, you too, brother.
Dude, you know, so many people comment on my videos saying, are you Daniel Marsh's twin? Everyone, they just see white boys and they go, oh, you guys all look the same. I guess you're the bloke too. Man, were you near? Hey? Were you near? In Lake Manila, were you near? Yeah, I'm in Mandaluyong. Ah, that's not bad, Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, because Brian told me you were coming over, so. Kabalo, pwede ka mag-Bisaya, di ba? Oo, na. Kabalo ko saya. Oo. Ikaw dugay ka. Ano naman ka? Dugay na, bay. Tulong ko tawag diya sa Cebu, saka Cebu. 7 years na diya sa Manila, so. Pero, mas mayo ko sa Tagalog rin kay dugay ako din. Hindi naman ka nakikisabit sa Bisaya. Kay dugay man ko dito sa Leyte. Leyte! Pero mas fluent ko sa Waray. Kaya akong miss. Waray, Tacloban. Pero taga-Caligara man. Waray. 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 Hindi, oy.
Ayaw na lang, ayaw na lang.
No, we should hang out more often if you live in Mandaluyong. Yeah, sure. Just collaborate or something. Makati. Makati, doon lang kayo. Doon lang kayo, eh. It's so strange, man. Jump in, Aheezy. Yeah, thank you.
I'm on your vlog. I will watch this. I will watch this.
Subscribe kayo sa Baninay Bautista.
Thank you. Subscribe din kayo sa kanya kung di nyo pa nakiklik yung button. I met you before, diba? No?
Saan? Sa YouTube pa ba?
Well, I don't know, but I met you before.
Siguro. Sa panaginip siguro.
Who are you with?
Shanta.
Together?
Kaming dalawa. Yeah, mag-asawa kami. Yeah.
I met you before. I'm forgettable.
Ito si Baninay. Sikat talaga siya.
Ay, abay, Tagalog. Maybe I watched your video kaya. Oh my God, wait! I watched your video. That's why I thought wait, you know.
Bakit ka nag-i-English?
Famous kayo sa Facebook?
Feeling lang.
Doon! Yung No Hands Challenge. Oh my God! Ang cute niya doon. Ang galing mo mag-edit.
Ay. Malakas mambola si Baninay.
Mommy, where's the camera?
I'm idol. I'm fan.
I'm idol daw.
Nakakaaliw yung mga videos nyo kasi hindi siya boring. Tapos, nakakagaling.
Wow, salamat ha. Malaki ng ulo ko.
One of my love teams. Kale Ninay.
Wow.
Is so guwapo.
Kilig pa more. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Haley.
I thought you were in America.
I was.
Oh, okay.
I'm here now. I'm going back on Saturday. Where are you from?
Australia.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, Australia. Have you been there before? Or?
I haven't been to
Never
Australia
been there?
yet.
Wow.
No, not
You
yet.
gotta go. You travel all over the world. You've never been to Australia.
I know, right? I know. It's true.
You got to go there on your next trip.
I know. I'm waiting till I get a sponsored trip to go there.
Oh yeah. Of course.
Because the flights are so expensive.
Yeah, true.
So, and I gotta go there for like at least 3 weeks.
Yeah, exactly. So, ito si Haley Dasovich. She is the... Everyone knows who you are anyway. Why do I have to introduce
Tagalog.
you?
Oh my God, you're so much better than me.
How come you don't know how to speak Tagalog? You're half Filipino, right?
Yeah.
I'm nothing Filipino. I
Yeah.
don't know how to speak Tagalog.
I mean, I understand it, but I can't speak it very well.
Yeah, right. Okay, but as long as you can understand. Hindi ka pwedeng machismis.
Oh my God, it's so good!
Bossing, pwede kong subukan yung drum kit? Rock and roll! Mao niya akong kambal nga Bisaya pod. Daniel Marsh.
Kahit kapitit kayo.
Lagi. Kuan, pila yung mga edad karon?
28 ba?
Ah, 28 ka.
Ikaw, ano?
27.
27.
Tulad kayo.
Tulra. Oh,
Lagi.
yung pinaka-wise mo. Ikaw ba?
Unsa man?
Pilang mo yung dad?
31.
31?
31 ka na?
So, wise tayo. We're the wise boys.
We've all been watching each other's vlogs.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, man. Oh, really? Come on in, guys. One more time.
Now wives are like besties now, dude.
Yeah, they are. That means lots in the future planning.
Get to Shanta, get to Erica, get to the Bam Bam.
YouTube pop-up space party is coming to an end. Sayang, man. Coming to an end. Ito na ang katapusan ng collab namin ni Aheezy. Unang collab namin.
It's gone fast.
Ingon na ni.
Balik sa iya.
Dili lagi kaya. Dili mo kaya. Sige daw. Sige daw. Daya. Muy claro.
Feeling close na mo. Oh, close me, kaayo.
is Jaco De Leon. I finally met you, man.
Oh no, I finally met you. So I met you all, you guys.
Malaking dangali na.
Oh, wow. No, but it's really nice to have all of you guys here. You know, it's
Yeah, it's good. Have you met Shanta or you know Shanta? You do? Asawa ko. So, saan ka lumaki, Jaco?
No,
Sa States or?
I grew up dito sa Philippines. But I went to college in the States.
Ah, okay.
So that just for that, and then I went back here and then I started doing production.
Okay.
Yeah. Before that I was pre-med. So you know, like everybody's just a different thing. When did you start speaking Tagalog?
5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
All right.
So, dalawang taon ako nag-stay sa Leyte.
Later.
Yeah, and then dito sa Manila mga
So
dalawang taon.
you speak Bisaya then?
Yeah.
Have you met Daniel Marsh?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Yeah,
I spoke to him
he
earlier.
speaks Bisaya. He speaks Bisaya.
We had a Bisaya conversation earlier.
No, that's awesome.
Uwi na po tayo.
Oh, you make more videos sa It's super entertaining.
Anong request mo sa amin? Anong video na gusto mo?
Kahit ano, basta kilig-kilig or you make short film or you film your own love story.
Ganon.
They have like that na.
Sige.
Diba?
Meron
You
lang
tell your
konti.
story, konti lang.
Okay, sige.
You can do that like a short film.
Gayahan na lang namin ng Jamit.
Jamin, pwede.
Alright, Aheezy man, let's say goodbye to everybody.
Alright, we'll say goodbye.
Goodbye, brother.
Bye guys. Dude, it's been
Later,
awesome
dudes.
meeting Dwayne.
I know, it's
He's so
awesome
tall and
meeting you
guapo
too,
in
right?
person. Like, the video doesn't do it enough for him.
Make sure you subscribe to Aheezy Da Islander.
Make sure you subscribe to Dwayne and Dwanta.
When are you coming to the Philippines next, Haley?
I don't know, man.
Oh, really? It's not bad, huh?
February or March.
February, March? Wow.
I've been here for once a month the last 5 months.
Really? Wow.
I need to go
I
spend
feel
time
like
with
you're
my
always here.
boyfriend. I need to go spend time with my
diba?
family.
Oh, it's a bagay na.
Like,
You
I
have a
miss
life.
my boyfriend more, actually. Yeah, right. I have a
He was your
life. I
boyfriend,
have a
right?
life.
What happened to Danley? Danley's not real?
Really, it's not real.
Danny's definitely real. The more she says that, the more it's gonna like obviously.
Feeling hero ka pala pare.
Dude, nice to meet you, Dwayne. Anytime the Australians, I can't like not try to put the accent on.
Go on. Give it a shot, man. Give the Aussie accent a shot.
Give the Aussie accent a shot. I'm terrible at it, man. All right, man. No, it's good meeting you,
Yeah,
man.
you too,
You're a
brother.
legend,
Yeah, cheers, man.
Let's collaborate.
Yeah, for sure, brother. For sure. Haley,
I can speak
nice
Turkish.
to meet you.
You too.
You have fun.
Dwayne Woody.
Hey, later, brother. Later, brother.
Bye guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
What's up, man? Salamat.
Parang kambal ko ata to.
I love that to
Feeling ko kambal ko to.
Talaga? Bakit?
Mas
Kasi
pabebe
kahit
lang
mo.
ako dyan. Hindi kasi pag nagbababa siya, parang ganun din ako eh. Oo, kaya lang ano.
Bye-bye, Binay.
Binay, yes. Oo, ano daw, nickname ko daw.
Mabait si Aheezy, no? Tsaka sa mga anak niya,
Oo, at saka
tsaka ang wife niya, di ba? Mabait. Di ba?
Pero may
Kaibigan na kayo?
Oo, best friends na ko.
Best
Joke.
friends na daw.
Oo, close na kami.
Close na. FC na.
Oo, FC lang ako. FC.